Hey guys, today I would like to show you how to use MDM Overdrive by Waves. Let's listen to what we have for this demo. I soloed this upright bass that I have been working on so we can really focus on how we're gonna use this overdrive plugin. So first I'm going to set my temperature to 35, set my mix to 40, set this to rider, we'll set it to side mode, enable HD, we'll pull our gain back to 3. At the M, we'll set our gain to 5 and our mix to 50. We'll set it to 5 on this occasion, push the blend to 9. We will push our mix to 100. We'll set our gain to 15 and we'll change the type and we're ready to listen to it. Here's again before. After. I'm sure you're curious how it sounds in context. So here is before in context. After in context. Try it and let me know in the comments what you think.